Alright, I got a new quick little project for you guys. My neighbor brought over his trailer. He's already stripped the bed off of it. Normally a wood bed on here because he wants to extend the thing out to make it 16 inches or 16 feet. So I haven't even measured how long this thing is to start with. So move this out of the way and this out of the way. Alright, so we're pretty close to about 13 and a half feet. Let's hook it on here. Yep, 13 and a half feet, 162 inches. So we want to be 16 feet, so we need 2.5, right? 13, 14, 2.5 feet added on to there. And then this piece is going to go across the back. This is going to be the end of it to cap it off, and then it's a little bit wide so that there's a place to mount the tail lights to. So we got that going for us. We're going to go ahead. We need to start by chopping these feet off of these. I got another one over there in the vise, and then prepare these things to get welded in place. So that's it. This is what the neighbor wanted done to this, so that's as far as we're taking it. Pretty easy project. Took me a little bit, just mainly prep work, and then put it together took almost no time at all. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.